Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and I have just got back from Ikea, so things are a little bit different there, let me say that, but I think that's only because of the situation at the moment, so that's the reason why I did not record in Ikea today. But I have definitely got a haul for you, so let's crack on with it and let me show you all of the fabulous items that I have bought in this video. So let's start off with some of the things that are just the basic items. Okay, so I love buying these storage bags. I only go to Ikea to get them because they are very cheap and very handy. You get the different sizes. You got the small pack, you got the large pack. They're great for little snacks when you're going places, so I do like having those, and also keeping things in the fridge or freezer, so they are handy. So I decided not to get one but get two, so I bought two of those. So that's that. Also there, I've opened it, let me just get it out for you, but I thought this was fantastic. This is the lightning USB charger for your iPhone, iPad or iPod, and it is £8, but look at the quality of that. Check out the quality of the wire. I do like getting a charger with a quality wire, so when I saw this, because I have an iPhone, it's always handy to have a spare, so I definitely bought this for £8. I think that's definitely worth the money. And look at the cord, you do get your length as well in cord. It's always handy to have a spare or when traveling, so £8 for that in Ikea. And also what I got there to help this, there was a plug there that's like this. This was £6, and you get the USB ports in there. There's 3 there. I think that's fantastic, as everything is USB lately. This helps a lot to have this around. So £6 for that from Ikea. So that is a very, very handy item to have. Now, I can't go to Ikea without getting the, I don't know if it's Dame bars. Yeah, this is the extra large pack, so that's going to take me a while to get through. So I bought those as well from there. I also love gummy sweets now and then, and they do have this Swedish fish fruit flavours. So they've got these as well. So they're really nice, so I like those, and they look like that in there, if you can see. So I bought those as well from there. I also like looking at the catalogues. They've got this kitchen one in at the moment, and I just love looking for ideas for the kitchen, so I took this catalogue with me, and I think that's a great thing for when you're, especially like me, into interior designing. I love just, you know, looking for ideas. I take bits from here, bits from there, mix it up. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at that later with a nice cup of tea. So what else did I get? I bought, and this is a new for me, I've never seen these before, but they I mean, they've probably been selling for a while, I just haven't seen it. The savoury sauce mix. Now, if you go to Ikea and you get meals there, which I did today, they actually have this lovely sauce mix, and you can actually do it yourself. So if you want to go home, be creative, cook a dinner and use that same sauce mix with your mashed potatoes, they are selling them in Ikea. I decided to get 2 because I do like that sauce, and you can mix it. You can have it with chicken, you can have it with lots of all different things. So I bought 2 of those. I'm going to try those. I will let you know how good they are, and yeah, so I think that's great. Yeah, so can't wait to be doing those. Also, I bought this handy tray because I do like to take a cup of tea or something, little snack with me sometimes when I'm just relaxing in bed. And I did show you the bed that I've bought. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's a new TV bed. So now I'm starting to relax a lot more and pamper myself more. I need a good tray to take up my cup of tea and little bits, so I'm not making a mess. And I thought this tray was handy. Only £1 in Ikea. So, you know, you can't go wrong. Very slim, you know, it fits anywhere. You can use it for a variety of things. So, you know, you don't have to just use it up in your bedroom, downstairs, making a cup of tea for guests. So, yeah, I just thought that was handy. So, okay, so the next buy is this beautiful, they call it a blanket because I had to check online first. I don't know whether you've seen, if you look at videos of my bedroom, it's very, you know, I'm trying to make it look delicate, very elegant, very feminine. I love everything to do with that, very girly. So I saw this beautiful throw and it's got all these like little ruffles. It looks very, very delicate. If you check out the picture as well, you can see it's just like one of those throws that they have at the end of the bed. I absolutely love this one. So it's only £15. They're selling them in Ikea at the moment. They had loads of them in stock, so it wasn't hard to get hold of. I've seen this years ago and I really liked it then, and I just didn't buy it. And I don't know whether you have that where you see things you really like, you don't buy, and then this time around I just thought, no, before, knowing my luck, they will go out of stock. So buy things when you see them, because when they're gone you don't want to have that kind of regret, if you know what I'm talking about. So I saw this and I thought, no, I'm definitely going to get it for my bed. I think it's going to look really nice. I do have a white duvet coming, and it's got these raised roses on there. It's ruffled raised roses. It's a white duvet cover that's coming. It would definitely complement this. When it arrives, I will put it all together and show you. It'll be a part of this video, so I'm going to do all in this video, so you'll see that later in this video. So yeah, love this. £15, not bad for a throw that's elegant, beautiful, and something that would last a long time if you look after it. So yeah, love that. Okay, so the next thing is, I don't know whether you remember from a few videos back, in my kitchen I painted it grey. I've decided to change the theme up a little bit. My kitchen was red and white, and I definitely changed that look now, and I did my units grey and I did my walls grey. The cushions that I have on the white chairs at the moment are red, and I think it's about time they changed to grey. So I bought these ones. I really like this because it has the tucked in buttonholes here, just like the Chesterfield look, which I really do like. So I got these. I think they're £4.50 each, which isn't that bad. The only thing I will say about this, and I'm checking, and I did check 3 times in the shop, they are not zippable ones, and that's the only regret that I do have. But I had to get them because I really like the colour. I think they would, and they really are comfortable. I tried them in the shop, always try things, but I don't like the fact that you cannot unzip these and put these in the wash. You would definitely have to just give them a wipe down, you know, when it comes to food and mess and things, or spillages. Yeah, get your vanish out, I suppose. But yeah, this is £4.50 each, so I needed 4 of those. So that was my bigger buys today. So there you go. There's 4 of those here. Okay, so that's all of, my camera went there, but that's all of that out of the way. And the biggest item I had is one that could not fit in the bag. So let's check out that item now. That's right, I'm back, and this is my big item. Yes, it is a beautiful, beautiful rug, and I actually have been looking for a new rug. My rug is looking tatty, it's looking old. I got it from Ikea. It was a £35 beige rug, which didn't last very long, under a year old, and it already looks dirty. It looks well used. I didn't like the look of it, so now I have purchased a new one, again from Ikea. This is a bit pricier. It's £80, and yeah, I can't wait to just get this out and show you what it looks like. It's a larger one. It's definitely going to brighten up this room. Yeah, so just wanted something very different. But the thing is, what made me buy this rug is that I actually saw this in the shop on the display, and I think that's why I'm saying it's always good to look at their way they display things. It looked really, really nice. It gave me the opportunity to feel the rug and the softness of it, and yes, that's what sold it for me. Yeah, so it's got a bit of grain there, it's got a bit of black, it's got a bit of stone, sandy colours, you know, all neutral colours really. So yeah, I just thought something completely different. But yeah, the actual feel of it is lovely, I must say. The feel of it is what sold it to me, and it has got this lovely softness, especially for the winter coming. Okay, so this is the kitchen at the moment, and as you can see, I painted the walls grey, and that's what I did in a previous video. As you can see, the white chairs at the moment have red cushions on. These red cushions are wipeable. They've got like a Forks leather cover on there, which was great for wiping down. So yeah, but the red is, you know, definitely not in keeping with the colour of the kitchen right now, because it was like a red and white. So I'm going to remove these red cushions now. Okay, so with the red cushions taken out, I don't know what I'm going to do with all this white bits that are coming out here, but these are great because they're just attachable like this. I think that's a really great idea. So let's get these on. So there they are, the chairs with the lovely grey cushions on, and I really love the look of that. And yes, they are really, really comfortable. So as you can see, this is the beautiful bed cover, king size, with the raised roses that I was talking about. Yeah, it got delivered, and I love it's got the detailing of those raised roses as well onto the pillowcases as well. And here is the little throw from Ikea, and that's how it looks on the bed. I'm really, really happy with it. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It's got that lovely ruffled effect, and it does suit the bed really, really well. So I did say I would show you, and that's what I've done. I think it looks really, really nice. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe. Hit on that like if you enjoyed this video. I'm just enjoying my rug here. Hit on that notification so you do not miss any more fabulous ideas. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in another one. Take care and goodbye.